There are many different Radians retractable tool tethers to choose from. For this demonstration, let's look at attaching this adjustable wrench. First, we need to attach the lanyard to the wrench by feeding the loop through the hole in the tool. Cinch the lanyard tight and lock it in place with the barrel. If your tool doesn't have a hole to loop through, you can secure the lanyard to the tool by using the loop, cinch, and secure method, along with reinforced tape. Use a crisscross method of taping and add extra security with a stop block to prevent slipping. Now that we have the tether attached to the tool, let's choose a pocket to install the retractable lanyard. There are multiple locations, depending on which tool you want to attach. Let's use the front pocket for this wrench. First, pull the tether out of the retractor and hold it tight. Remove the ball from the line and slip off the clasp end. Be careful not to let go of the line, especially at a high rate of speed, to prevent the line from slipping all the way into the case. The knot at the end should hold the line in place. Locate the holding pocket on the inside of the vest. Feed the line into the holding pocket and through the eyelet to the other side of the vest. Slip the clasp back over the knot. Replace the ball onto the line, being sure the knot is pulled snug into the wide opening of the ball slot cavity. The ball will hold the clasp in place. A binder clip can also help by holding the line out of the case, providing more slack and making it easier to feed the line through the holding pocket. Now, it's time to attach the tool to the tether clasp. Simply snap it into place. It's a good idea to test the retractor a few times before getting to work. Follow these same steps for the other styles of retractable tethers, from a pen or a smartphone to a tape measure, hand tools, and even your hard hat. For more information, please contact us online or by phone.